So it's been a while since we've had a bit of a check-in. It's been what, 3-4 weeks now, and over that time we have made some big changes. We've moved house. I've started a new job up here, and there's just generally been a lot going on. So just thought we'd give you a quick tiny little update on what's been going on up here. The move was crazy. We're not 100% out of the apartment yet. We're definitely 100% living up here now, but we're going to have some weekend visits where we go down to the house and clean up and all that sort of stuff before we offload that place. The biggest pro for the last couple of years has been that Betty's work figured out that she can work from home. So that means she can keep the same job. And I've started my new job as a residential site manager. So I'm building houses now, and I'm building them in some pretty amazing locations. We've started our first small reno in the laundry. We'll present that in one video later on, so hang tight on that one. Our first foray into renovating the house, which is exciting. This has happened. We didn't think the grapes were going to grow this year. We thought that they'd just been cut back too hard last season by the previous owner, because that's what she told us. But geez, we have a small amount of grapes growing. Small amount of grapes. There's a few spots of them around. They're not big yet, and we don't have heaps, but the fig tree has probably thousands of figs growing on it at the moment. But we are sharing them with, I believe they're called silver eyes, these little birds that are just going manic. And that's okay, we've got more than enough to share, but you'll notice that there could be like 20 of them at a time running around in these trees. It's pretty quiet at the moment, but generally they just are here constantly. And we share a lot of them. We share a lot of our figs with these guys. Also got a really overloaded olive tree at the moment, so looking forward to the next step in these bad boys too. Gonna be so good. So with the moving and new jobs and everything, we haven't had a great deal of time for the garden just yet, so that's upcoming. But one last thing to show you before we go is the lemon tree. So the lemon tree, anyone might remember from the beginning, was overflowing with ripe lemons everywhere. And in the time that we haven't been here before we've moved in, I reckon that family, friends, neighbours, everyone has just like taken what they wanted, which is fine because there was heaps to go around. So it got pretty empty, but we've noticed that we are packed to the brim with the next round of lemons. So that's awesome. So that was just a quick update about where we're at and what's been going on. Hope everybody is doing well. And we'll talk to you all with no doubt more news soon. See ya.